people are not aware of this condition of sleep apnea. People think if they're snoring, it is a good thing. Unlike the normal myth, the snoring is associated with a serious condition called sleep apnea, and sleep apnea is the underlying root cause for many disorders. Like, patients suffering from sleep apnea have 10 times the risk of heart disease and brain strokes and cancers, etc. Who have snoring, they should go to the ENT doctor. They should get a screening done. The severity is assessed by one night monitoring of sleep study, which is called polysomnography. And then this PhD will tell us whether it is a mild disease or moderate disease or severe disease. And certain cases, after meeting up with the selection criteria, now they can be taken up for robotic surgery. Selection criteria is very much required before we take them up for robotic surgery. And we have excellent feedback in all those who have already had this surgery done. They have been saying that they have been snoring for several years and now there is no more snoring. They are off antihypertensive drugs, they are off, their diabetes has got better control, their weight reduction is much more possible now, their energy levels have gone very high, memory disturbances which were previously there, they have all recovered after robotic surgery. There is no scar and there is minimal bleeding, there is no infection. There are other advantages. The stay in the hospital is very short. Surgeries are not very expensive, unlike what people think. It is extra 50,000 to 70,000 more than the traditional surgery cost.